Today I'm planning to make a nicer looking table cover. Right now I just threw this Sunbrella material on top. I had to finish the edges, kind of make it a little more fitted. So I decided to cut a 60-inch square. And in order to determine where my center point is, it makes it easy for me to line it up with that thing there. Where the umbrella goes into, I'm going to measure it from there. Measuring out my fabric for the corners for the drop down, I am going to put the seam here at an angle, and I've marked it with the chalk. That way when it is draped on the table, it'll have a nice flow to it.